Hey guys, today I just wanted to do a quick life update video and let you guys know how my life's been going with my anhedonia over the last little while. Now, for the most part, my anhedonia is manageable. It sucks and I hate it, but I'm still able to live with it and I'm still taking care of myself and I'm still pushing through it and I'm doing things I would normally enjoy anyway because I know eventually that enjoyment's going to come back. But honestly, over the last week with my anhedonia, I've literally felt like I was run over by a bus. It's been horrible. Now, thankfully, that started to lift today, but my anhedonia was so bad this week that I actually called outreach and I was like, this anhedonia is getting too hard to deal with and I want to try an antidepressant. Now, at this point in time, I don't think I'm going to go on an antidepressant. I was going to, and I looked into a couple different classes of antidepressants and the ones that I would want to take. And the ones that I think would be best for me would be something that increases dopamine because that's what's causing my anhedonia. But in doing some research and looking into those particular types of medications, I was looking into medication interactions and the interactions between the meds that I'm currently on and those meds. And honestly, it's just not worth it. Not only that, but I'm scared if I go on an antidepressant, it's going to make me worse. Because at one point in time, due to anhedonia, I was on Wellbutrin, which is an antidepressant, and it just made me worse. So I'm really weary about trying anything like that now. And whatever was going on with me over the past week with my anhedonia and having it be really bad to the point where I felt like I was run over by a bus, whatever was going on with that, thankfully, has started to clear today. And honestly, today, what I've been doing for most of the day is listening to music. Now, normally with my anhedonia, listening to music just drives me crazy because I can't enjoy it. I'm not enjoying it yet, but it's not driving me crazy either, and I actually want to listen to it. So it's progress. Now, with that going on over the past week, of course, that made me less productive as well. And I fell behind and I stopped doing videos. I stopped doing my Oracle videos. I stopped doing my how-to videos. And honestly, for most of that week, all I wanted to do was sleep. Of course, I didn't because I have a child, and when they're here, I can't do that. And of course, during that week, I cried a lot as well, going along with my anhedonia, and I just honestly contemplated giving up. But I didn't. I'm still here. I'm still going. And I don't plan on going anywhere because I know my child needs me, my subscribers need me, a lot of people depend on me, and I don't want to go anywhere. So hopefully at some point in the near future, my anhedonia will be completely gone and I won't have to worry about it anymore. But I take being able to listen to music today and not be drove crazy by it as a good indication that it's starting to clear. And I seem to be feeling quite a bit better today. There's the listening to music and wanting to listen to music. But honestly, over the past week, I've noticed something else as well. Yes, my anhedonia was really bad. Yes, I wanted to give up. Yes, I thought about potentially going on an antidepressant. But honestly, other than sleeping for most of the week, other than sleeping and taking care of my child, I've been doing fill-in puzzles, which is honestly something I haven't done in a long time, and that's something that I really enjoy. I didn't get the full enjoyment out of it, but again, like the music, I was able to stand it and it wasn't driving me crazy for once. And I could literally sit there for hours on end doing fill-in puzzles. So there's the puzzles and the music. I know my anhedonia is going to go away very soon. I can feel it in my bones that it's going to go away. Well, I guess there is one other thing. I've also noticed that I'm laughing a lot more lately. Now, of course, that doesn't make a lot of sense given how I felt over the last week. But even through all that, I still found myself laughing more, which again tells me that my anhedonia is getting better. So that was a little update on my life and how it's been going over the last little while. Hopefully you guys have felt better than me over the past week, because it's certainly no fun feeling like you've been run over by a bus. And I will see you in my next how-to. Bye!